Sonia Begum. I am studying in 10th grade. My topic is human respiratory system. The air is taken into the body through the nostrils. The air passes through the nostrils by filtered air through the nostrils. The line in passage. The passage is also lined with mucus, helps in this process. From here, the air is passes through the throat into the lungs. Rings of cartilage are present in the throat. These ensure that the air passage does not collapse. Within the lungs, the passage divided into smaller and smaller tubes, which finally terminated balloon-like structure is called alluvial. The walls of alluvial and extensive network of blood vessels. As we have seen in earlier years, we breathe in and we left our ribs unfertile at our diaphragm, and the does not cavity becomes a larger result. Thank you.